To finally another video of all those shifts. Last video I posted was just kind of like a recap of the last couple months, but this time we're finally going to be racing. The car is almost done. It's 4 days before Spring Mayhem, and we got the car primed, all the bumpers on, stuff like that. We're not going to paint it just because we don't have time. We got the truck right here at Shrek's. Gonna do probably just some maintenance on the front coilovers, make sure they're greased up, and yeah. We actually have on the gas cyclone over there. We're going to be racing at Bradenton Motorsports for the Cleetus race. I'm just hoping. I'm driving. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable recording the truck itself just because it's not mine. And, you know, it is kind of like a grudge truck a little bit. You know, they're not showing times just yet. So I might show some clips and stuff like that they put out once their video's out and stuff like that, just to be respectful. But yeah, I'm not really the type of person to, you know, clout chase and stuff like that. If they want to, you know, it is what it is. But car's almost done, so I'll keep you guys posted. How do you like Florida?
Está muy jodido el pedo acá.
We just got to the track. We saw Midnight doing some testing right now, but we'll see what we get into. But right now, it's about to go down. Gringo is going to be racing someone else, I don't know who, for a grudge race. So just wanted to go ahead and bring that to you. And tomorrow in the morning, 8 a.m., we have the start time for the race. 9 a.m. is the driver's meeting, and then 10 a.m. is going to be whenever they do the chip, or that racing actually starts. So.
Push your bed. There's one you want?
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut back.
Hey, just don't pour it too far forward. He's gonna pull out first, Randy.
Race is going to be $8,000 a side, 16K pop. Real tight race, real tight race. We're gonna have to wait and see for the top end. Right lane. Right lane got it.
Oh, y'all thought we were ducks or what?
Left lane got it. Gringo with the win. Beating that Camaro out of Newer. It's coming hot. Now we got little OJ about to make a test hit, but Gringo ended up taking that win, confirmed on the top end, so 16K total. Shit. They say that they're going to rerun it tomorrow at the event for Cleetus rear-wheel drive versus all-wheel drive, so we'll see if they'll get paired up first round or something.